Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class, we discussed solving of simple or linear equations in one variable. For example, you look at these problems. In every question there is only one variable. Here what is the variable in the first problem? Z. In the second problem, A. Third problem, Y. Fourth problem, N. Fifth problem, M. Sixth problem, X. Seventh problem, Z. So we have to solve these simple equations. What does it mean? Solving in the sense, solving means what should you do? Find the variable value of the variable, particular variable present in the given equation. First question, what is given here? Z minus 2 1 by 3 is equal to minus 6. Since it is mixed fraction, change it into improper fraction first. How do you change improper fraction? 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 upon 3 is equal to minus 6. So when we transpose to find the variable z here, I have to shift this minus 7 by 3 to RHS side. So minus 6 minus 7 by 3, if I transpose to RHS side, it becomes plus 7 by 3. Right? Did you understand here? Minus 6 minus term, if I shift that side, transpose to RHS, it becomes plus 7 by 3. Right? Take LCM now. 3 6 are 18 plus 7 1s are 7 upon 3 1s are 3. Just like cross multiplication. 6 3s are 18 plus 7 1s are 7 upon 3. You can take like this. 6 3s are 18, 7 1s are 7 upon 3 1s are 3. That is LCM. Okay. Now here we have two different symbols. 18 minus 18 plus 7. So what should you do? Subtract. 18 minus 7 means 11 by 3. Or you can change it into mixed fraction because it is improper. 3 3s are 9. What is remaining? 2 by 2. So what is the value of the variable here? Minus 3 2 by 3. So 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. You can change it into mixed fraction also. Okay? So minus term, if I shift to RHS, it becomes plus. If I shift plus term to RHS, it becomes minus. Product term, if you shift that side, division. Divided term, if you shift that side, it becomes multiplication. So those four fundamental operations you should understand. Okay? So look at the second question. A plus 3 1 by 5 is equal to 1 1 by 2. A plus, change it into improper fractions. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So I want to find the value of A here. What is the variable here? A. So I should find the value of A. So 3 by 2 plus 16 by 5, shift that side. Minus 16 by 5. 5 3s are cross multiply. 5 3s are 15. 16 2s are 32 upon 5 2s are 10. So just I told you, plus term, if I shift that side, it becomes minus term. Take LCM now. 5 3s are 15 minus 16 2s are 32 upon 5 2s are 10. Now different symbols are there. So immediately what should you do? Subtract. So 32 minus 15, 17 upon 10. Clear? So 17 upon 10. Or we can write 10 ones are 10. What is remaining? 7. 7 upon 10. Okay, you can write like that also. 1 7 by 10. That is the answer. Okay. Third question is y plus. What is the variable here? Y plus 5 1 by 3 is equal to 4. Y variable 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 equal to 4. Shift this term to that side. Y is equal to 4, plus term will be minus term. By if there is nothing, we can take 1. Take LCM. 3 1s are 3. So I told you just 4 3s are 12. Cross multiply. 4 3s are 12 minus 16 1s are 16. 16 minus 12 how much? 4. 4 upon 3. Okay. Or we can write 3 1s are 3, 1 remainder. So y equal to minus 1, 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Next, fourth one. What is fourth? N minus 4 is equal to minus 4 1 by 5. First change it into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 upon 5. So n equal to minus 21 upon 5 minus 4 will be plus 4. So n equal to LCM 5, 21 1s are 21 plus 5 4s are 20. Right? Like this 21 1s are 21 plus 5 4s are 20. So n equal to minus 21 plus 21. So n equal to minus 1 by 5. That is the final answer, because here n is the variable, right? Fifth question. Solving means finding the value of variable. Remember that. Okay. Fifth question. M by 6 division term is there. So m by 6 equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Clear? 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So m equal to 5 by 2. This is in division, right? M divided by 6. Transpose division term to that side, it becomes multiplication term. Okay? 2 1s, 2 3s. 3 5s are how much? 50. So m value how much here? 50. Simple. Next one. Sixth one. Given x minus 2 1 by 3 is equal to 3 2 by 5. Change it. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. X equal to this minus 7 by 3 transpose to RHS side. It becomes plus 7 by 3. So take LCM. 17 3s how much here? 51. 3 7 5s are 35 by 3 5s are 50. So we will get here 86 upon 50. Right? We can change it into improper fraction, sir, mixed fraction. 15 5s are 15 5s are how much? 75. 15 5s are 75. So from 86 if I remove 75, you will get 11. So 11 upon 15. 5, 11 upon 15. 15 5s are 75. Okay. So value of x is how much? 5 11 by 50. Okay. Here only I can do 7th one. See, simple one. Given 5z equal to 8.5. Multiplication term, right? 5 is in the multiplication, right? So transpose that side. So 8.5. If I transpose multiplication term to RHS side, it becomes division term. Multiplied will be divided, okay? So 5 ones are 5. So 3 will remain, 5 sevens are 35. So equal to 1.7. Therefore Z equal to 1.7. Right? So that is the end of solution. That's all for today. We will continue some more in the next class. Thank you.